A beast that doesn't just cruise, it sculls the road. This dunce machine isn't here to play nice. It's built to dominate, destroy, and leave its mark on the streets. The heavy black tint gives off pure menace. Unstylable, unstoppable. Whenever you see this beast, remember to give it breeze because it has no sense.
Okay guys, as promised, we're about to go through the tunnel, baby. But I'm thinking, should I let the windows down or should I leave them up? Because this cabin is pretty quiet. You ain't gonna hear no engine sounds with the windows up. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Boost, hear that boost? That turbo? Woo! Woo! Listen to that turbo, hold on. Turbo. Ready? Go. Yeah, you're not hearing the turbo spool with the windows up, but it's all good. Was that a Stinger? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Don't worry, guys. Big turbo coming soon, man. Big turbos. You know what I mean? Definitely gonna build this car. You know what I mean? We're gonna do a build. Gonna do a build, so it's all good. It's all good. It's all good, cuz they're building a second tunnel over there, you know what I mean? To help with traffic. Not sure when they're gonna finish though, but yeah. Oh, this man. Is he good or is he look like that? Probably coming from the club or something, man. Yeah, guys, but yeah. Quick pull through the tunnel. They have a next tunnel on that side, a longer tunnel, you know what I mean? But we'll wait till we do the turbo and the exhaust, then we bring it through that tunnel there, because yeah, definitely sounds sweet, because the Kia sounds sweet in that tunnel, because you know the Kia exhaust kind of aggressive, even though it's stuck. But yeah, once we build out this and drop the exhaust panel, we can go through the tunnel. But yeah, that is it, guys. Make it to the end of the video, you know what I mean? Stay tuned for more videos dropping soon. Mucho yardie, just go and like, subscribe, stay locked in, gang gang.
Same old dirty boy, same old crook. School days, we know the place gon' shook. Everything changing at the place, come look. When you come money, what if I get back up? If my pocket off and no brains in a foot. All of my life, all of my days, some put. Eat up on me belly, early bird, I get the worm. When you go food, go grab a plate with a cook. Some chop up, my got them can't trick me. No. All of the back is sweet at the victory. Yeah. Hey, mommy, some pussy can't kill a picnic. Never. Just the life of the money, the power strictly. Yeah, I come from a gutter, this and not Disney. Yeah, my eye for the jumps, I know I'm tipsy. Say a prayer for the tongues, the road risky. Looking at the face up here. Hey! Every bandage, just to get a sandwich. Pain in every language. Atta, we know pain in every language. Spanish and Portuguese, Chinese and Japanese, Kenyan and Black breezes. Come on, Aaron. Dogs full of venom.